Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our SIM card's icon in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. So how to change how our SIM card looks like. We need to go to settings, then connections, and here we have our SIM manager. And we have our SIM card right here. We have only one card right now, and we need to tap and hold this, and here it is. Excuse me, tap, not tap and hold. We have a few icons here. For example, we have our work name setup, so let's use our office icon. Back out, and as you can see, our icon has been changed. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.